Megan here, and today I want to talk to you about like the three most important things in my life when it comes to gardening. And I know that's kind of like, are you just going to show us soil and pots? Like, no. I want to show you the three things that I have purchased for gardening that have made my life so much easier. And spoiler, they're not that expensive either. So if you want to be like me, you can pick these up for really cheap. Now, I will say the caveat that obviously my essentials of plant pots and soil and fertilizer and clippers are very essential as well, but these are kind of like essential adjacent, if that makes sense. So first off are my gloves. Now, these are from Digs, and let's see if you can see them. They are like mesh. They're porous in a way, but like a screen, but you can see like they are well loved. And it's cool because they have these little, like, you can still use your smartphone with them, which is good for me whenever I'm gardening and listening to Lemonade and need to just like start listening to Lemonade all over again, because it's like my angry gardening music. I really like it for some reason. Also, my husband knows to stay away from me though. But I got these at a conference, and I think like I totally would have bought these anyways because they're really cute. They're very, very comfortable, and you can see like they're workhorses. So definitely recommend them. The second is my hat. I got this hat on Amazon, and it just looks like a gardening hat, except it has this on the back, this little like flap, and it'll kind of like make you feel a little weird to wear it, but it does have a ponytail slit. But I like to wear it because it covers my purple hair. So not only does my neck not get burnt, my purple hair stays purple and doesn't get faded from the sun. I think it was definitely under 20 bucks, and it has been a trooper. Lastly, these. I got these on Amazon. It came in as a 2-pack, I think. And I used one of these for like when I was doing product photography and I had to kneel, and the other one is my gardening one. Now the gardening one is actually out in all of my my deck box, which is locked, and I just didn't feel like getting it. I felt like this is probably an adequate portrayal because it's its brother. So it's like squishy, but not too squishy. It's still hard, and it saves your knees. Like, I never thought I'd be that person, honestly, but then I'm 36 and I need something to help my knees, so this guy. Now, I would say this entire stash is probably less than 40 bucks, and it has saved me so much pain and time and sunburn and knee pain and everything else. So I absolutely recommend these three things. They are essential for me to do all of my plant stuff. And yeah, I hope that was helpful. I'll see you guys next week.